Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Camille, and thank you for coming to my channel where I talk all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and we'll be speaking some inspiration as well because, yeah, we all need it. If that's something you are interested in, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come join the family. So in today's video, I want to come to you guys and show you some of my favorite affordable skincare products that I have been loving down, and I have noticed a difference with using these products with my skin. And when it comes to the terms like glass skin, I try not to take on that identity. Everybody's skin is different. It could be genetics, it can be hormonal, it can be a variety of different things that affect your skin. I would say learn what is affecting your skin. That would be the first step. I went to the doctor and I found out that I have PCOS, and that is internally affecting my hormones, where overall is affecting my skin. So with the start of that, I am learning that certain products, certain foods, certain things that I have to stay away from, and when I stay away from those things, my skin started to look better. So let's go ahead and let me show y'all the products that I have been using that is affordable. First product that I'm going to start with is a face wash. You always want to start your skin regimen with a good face wash, and one face wash that I have been using for years that I love is this Serum Renewing SA Cleanser. This face wash is very affordable. It is so good, and I have noticed when I'm using this face wash, my texture on my face is not as potent, and this has made a difference with cleansing my skin. And that is something that I tremendously need in my skincare regimen. I need something that's going to take all the dirt off of my face, as well as if I'm wearing makeup, to clean, not strip my skin, but hydrate at the same time. And I have found it to be true when using this CeraVe cleanser, that this cleanser is not only affordable, but it gets the job done without stripping all the oil off of my face. So after I go in with the face wash, I love to go in with toners. I feel like toners is just that extra step that's going to help get rid of all of that residue off of your face. You can either use a hydrating toner, or you can use what I call like a pore correcting toner, and I have both. So the first one I'm going to talk about is this Enlarged Essential Power Skin Toner. When I say that this toner is very hydrating, when I feel like my skin is extra dry and I need a little TLC, a little bit more hydration, I'll go ahead and reach for this. I typically use this Enlarged Essential Power Toner in the morning because I want my skin to look plump, I want my skin to look awake, and I want my skin to look hydrated in the morning. And at night, if I need something extra to kind of tighten up the pores, I like to go in with this other toner. This toner is not on the affordable size, but if you get the travel size, I will consider that affordable. And it is the Paula Choice 2 BHA Liquid Exfoliant. When I say I love this toner down, this travel size is around $15, but this actually lasts a long time, especially if you're using it only at night and you only need a drop or two of this product. Now, I have noticed my pores does look tightened, and they don't look as wide, and they don't look as like noticeable when I am keeping this product in my regimen. This does wonders, and just get the travel size to try it out. It's 15 bucks, and you will notice a difference, especially if you're struggling with big pores with this product. So after I go in and I wash my face, I use my toners. I like to go in with some serums to kind of help correct some things on my skin. So the first serum I want to talk about is this niacinamide serum from Good Molecules. That was a mouthful. This product was sent to me in a PR packet like a year ago, but when I tried this product on my own and incorporated it into my regimen, I fell in love that I just started buying it for myself after the PR package was sent to me. So when it comes to niacinamide serum, it has been proven that this serum helps refine the signs of texture and improve the pores of skin. Those are the two big things that I want to work on when it comes to my skin, texture and pores. But I have noticed a difference when I'm using this serum, that my pores don't look as enlarged and my texture of skin is not as rough. And so after the niacinamide serum, I like to go in with the Hyaluronic Acid provides your skin with hydration. And so before I wanted to commit to like a high-end brand, I just started off with the ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. This has been all over TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and this product is actually very good for it to be affordable. This is around $12, and this is something that has been in my staple, my skincare regimen for the past 2 years. And if I do not use this hyaluronic acid when it comes to the morning and the night, my skin is going to feel dry. But y'all, this product is amazing, especially for the price. The formula is good. It's not a sticky feel. It really gives my skin that hydration that it needs to keep my pH balance with my skin just hydrated, overall just looking glowing. And this is something that I definitely want to keep in my skincare regimen for years to come. Okay, so the next product that I want to get into is this Coles RX. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. And it is the Advanced Snail Mucus Power Essence. This girl is good. I got it from the local TJ Maxx and it was around 16 bucks. And what this snail does is this essence helps the skin to lose less moisture while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. So you will not look as oily, but also keep your skin looking plump and healthy. And that is the look that I want my skin to look and feel like with or without makeup. I love when I use this product that my skin looks glowy, it looks plump, it just looks ready for the day. I just look extra hydrated and I look like a glazed donut. And anytime I look like a glazed donut, like the sun just kissed me, or somebody just splashed some water on my face. And so that product is extremely affordable, but it also just makes your skin look hydrated, healthy, and smooth. After I use all of my serums, this is my favorite part. I love to go in with moisturizers. And so I have 2 different moisturizers that I am currently using. And so the first one I want to talk about is the Snail All-in-One Cream. So definitely go ahead and reach for this cream. Now I can say when I'm using this, I will not use this. But if I'm gonna use this, I will not use this because I feel like I don't need both at the same time. It just depends. Throughout the day, I typically reach for the cream because I want my skin to be extra hydrating and have all of the nutrients and everything that it needs throughout the day. And at night, if I wanna just keep it very light and fresh, then I will reach more for this product at night. Cream helps naturally create the appealing glow. We want to glow, remember, of healthy skin. And this is true. This was like around 16 bucks too from TJ Maxx. And when I say this affordable product just took my skin to the next tier, like this cream works better than those $50 creams that I was picking up at Sephora. And let's talk about the sister pairing to it. So the other cream, the Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream. If y'all seen this wave that I got going on right now when it comes to my skin regimen, is adding moisture to my skin. Even though I'm an oily girl, I still need moisture. My skin loves to be moisturized. It needs to be hydrated as well. Cream helps to deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. So after I do all of my basic skin regimen foundation, when it comes to my toner, my serums, I like to end morning and night with this cream. This Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream is top tier to the point I am done. I'm done. I need to go to TJ Maxx and get another bottle. This was around $16.99 at TJ Maxx. And again, this moisturizer is better than those high-end moisturizers. I'm not even gonna lie. So the last step that I like to incorporate in my skin regimen, I like to always go in with some form of sunscreen. And so I mentioned this before in another video, but my favorite sunscreen, of course, is the Black Girl sunscreen, and I have it in the S. It has just made a difference when it comes to my skin. Adding your sunscreen on a daily basis is a must. Use it. you will notice a difference. Use it, girl. And not only do I put this on my face, but I love to like rub it in on my hands, because your hands shows your age. If you have not noticed that your hand and your neck, that will show your age quickly. So this is definitely a product that I will recommend when it comes to sunscreen, that I have noticed a difference in my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know below if you have already tried some of these products or you're thinking about trying them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.